Welcome again to another series of VA Knowledge. In this video, we will talk about how to use AI tools to work faster and deliver better results for clients. Something significant is happening in the remote work industry right now. VAs who have learned to use AI tools effectively are completing the same work in a fraction of the time, handling more clients, delivering consistently higher quality output, and commanding higher rates. This isn't a trend that's coming. It's happening right now. And the gap between AI skilled VAs and those working manually is going to keep widening. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which four tools to learn and how to use them for the real task for you to do every day. Before we get into the tools, let me address the most common concern. I am not a tech person. Well, actually, you don't need to be. You don't need to write code. You don't need to understand how these tools work under the hood. You just need to know how to ask a clear question and evaluate the response. That's it. If you can manage a client's inbox, you can use these tools. Tool number one, Claude. This is my top recommendation for text heavy VA work. You can paste a messy email thread and ask Claude to summarize it into action items. Describe a client's tone from sample emails and ask it to draft a reply that sounds like them. Give it a rough process description and ask it to write a formatted SOP. For research, writing, documentation, and analysis, Claude is exceptional. Many experienced VAs report that it's cutting their writing time by 60 to 80%. Tool number two, ChatGPT. Excellent for brainstorming and content generation. Ask it to generate 30 social post ideas for a specific brand and niche in under a minute. Ask it to write 5 different subject lines for a client email campaign. Ask it to produce first drafts for almost any content format. For content focused VA work, this is significant accelerant. Tool number 3, Canva AI. If any part of your work involves creating visuals, social media graphics, presentations, reports, Canva features can generate branded designs from a text description. You can describe the outline, the style, the message, and it produces a starting point you can refine. Zero graphic design training required. Tool number 4, Notion AI. If you organize your work or your clients' projects in Notion, the built-in AI can summarize meeting notes in seconds, extract action items and owners from a transcript, generated structured project plans from a brief description, and improve the clarity of your documentation. For executive and admin VAs, this is genuinely transformative. Let me give you a concrete side by side. Your client sends you a dense 800-word email thread and asks for a summary with action items. Manually, 20 to 30 minutes of careful reading and structuring. With Claude, paste the thread, write one clear instruction, and get a formatted summary in under a minute. You review, you adjust, and you deliver. Total time 3 minutes. Your client needs a month worth of social media posts by Friday. Manually, 2 to 3 hours of writing, structuring, and formatting. With ChatGPT, give it the brand profile, the audience, and the 5 topic areas. It produces 30 first drafts in under 5 minutes. You edit for accuracy and tone. You approve, you schedule. Delivered in 45 minutes instead of 3 hours. Now, should you tell your clients you use AI? Yes. Transparency builds trust. But how you frame it matters. Don't say, I use AI to do work. You say, I use AI tools to work more efficiently and produce higher quality outputs for you. I review and customize every AI assisted deliverables before it is submitted. That's the strategy. The judgment and the quality control is entirely yours. That is a professional statement that builds confidence, not concern. AI will not replace skilled VAs, but VAs who don't use AI effectively will outperform those who don't. The good news is that you can start today. Pick one tool from this list. Find one real task from your current workload. Spend 30 minutes this week learning to use the tool on the task. That is the entire starting point. Once again, keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe to Remote VA Institute and follow for more.